Hello, all. Get ready to harness some powerful cosmic energies coming our way in June 2025. We're looking at two significant numeric and energetic gateways, the 6/6 portal and the 6/9 portal, just a few days later. Let's dive in. First up, the 6/6 portal on June 6, 2025. Numerologically, the number 6 vibrates with harmony, unconditional love, nurturing, home, and responsibility. On the 6th of June, this energy is amplified, creating a potent gateway for heartfelt connection and healing. Astrologically, on this very day, Venus, the planet of love and value, moves into grounded Taurus, one of its most comfortable positions. This is a powerful blessing for self-worth, grounded love, and attracting abundance. Simultaneously, Mercury, our planet of communication, enters its home sign of Gemini, boosting clarity, curiosity, and the flow of ideas. So, the 6/6 portal is all about opening your heart to receive love, focusing on self-care, and clearly communicating your heartfelt desires to manifest grounded abundance. It's about recognizing your inherent worthiness. Now, let's look at the 6/9 portal on June 9, 2025. This date brings in the number 9, which represents completion, universal love, humanitarianism, and wisdom. So, the 6/9 energy shifts us from personal harmony towards balancing that with universal compassion and the culmination of cycles. Astrologically, June 9 marks a huge shift. Expansive Jupiter enters the nurturing sign of Cancer, where it is incredibly potent. This begins a year-long period of immense growth and blessing for themes of home, emotional security, family, and building strong foundations. For many, this will bring opportunities to create their dream sanctuary, put down roots, and expand their sense of belonging. Communication also becomes more intuitive and feeling-based around this time as Mercury shifts into Cancer. This 6/9 portal is about celebrating the completion of personal growth phases, integrating that wisdom, and expanding your capacity for universal love. It's an incredibly supportive energy for manifesting a secure, nurturing home base for your life and work. Bringing it all together. These portals, 6/6 and 6/9, work in sequence. First, cultivating self-love and grounded harmony, then expanding that outward into universal compassion and building secure foundations for your life's purpose. As you move through June, remember your connection to the powerful 3/6/9 energy, the blueprint of creation, harmony, and completion. And looking ahead to July, the Chiron retrograde period will invite deep introspection, allowing you to transform old wounds into profound wisdom, truly becoming the healed, mature, and divine being you are. So, as we move through June 2025, embrace these powerful energies for self-love, grounded manifestation, compassionate service, and building the secure, loving foundations your soul craves. Welcome, Cosmic Family, to a pivotal moment in our collective journey, June 6, 2025. This is a day where the very fabric of our reality invites us into a powerful alignment, a deep, resonating 3/6/9 frequency for creation, harmony, and completion. As the sun, our divine core, shines brightly in Taurus, we are called to embody stability, grounding our highest visions into tangible form. This is the energy of New Earth embodiment, where sacred stardust is made manifest. With Uranus, the great liberator, also in Taurus, expect revolutionary shifts in what we value, breaking chains of old securities to truly root into a new paradigm of abundance and peace. Our cosmic communication is profoundly active today. Mercury, the messenger, dances with Venus, the goddess of love, both in Gemini. This harmonious union amplifies our ability to articulate our truths with grace and versatility. It's a prime time for bridging dualities within ourselves and in our relationships, weaving new narratives of connection and compassion. And with Jupiter, the great expander, also in Gemini, our ideas, knowledge, and cosmic connections are set to soar, urging us to share our wisdom far and wide. This is a powerful threefold alignment of communication, love, and expansion. Meanwhile, Mars, our inner warrior, blazes in Leo. This ignites our courage and creative fire, empowering us to express our authentic self with passion and heart. It's a call to lead with your unique I Am presence, radiating your inner light with bold, purposeful action. Our moon, guiding our emotional currents, flows through Virgo, inviting us into a space of meticulous discernment and sacred service. This is the energy for inner purification, attending to the subtle details of our being and meticulously clearing anything that no longer serves our highest harmony. And beneath these vibrant energies, a profound spiritual current runs deep, as Saturn, Neptune, and Chiron journey together in Pisces. This is a powerful threefold current of spiritual dissolution and healing. Saturn in Pisces brings disciplined focus to dissolving old, inherited structures and illusions, guiding us to release karmic imprints with compassion. Neptune in Pisces opens the veils between worlds, heightening our psychic sensitivity and guiding us to weave new, higher-frequency dreams into collective reality, dissolving old patterns of illusion. And Chiron, the wounded healer, also in Pisces, offers a deep, empathetic pathway to healing the collective mother wound and transmuting the sin-guilt complex at its core. This triple alignment is a cosmic balm, preparing us for profound release and spiritual wholeness. Finally, Pluto in Aquarius continues its slow, undeniable work of transforming collective power structures, urging us towards a more humanitarian and sovereign future. Today, June 6th, is a master key, a 6 in the very date, signifying harmony, balance, and unconditional love. This energy supports you in consciously stepping into your divine blueprint, knowing that every breath, every intention, every word you speak, is an act of creation. It's a reminder that through your own healing, integration, and conscious emanation, you are contributing to the completion, 9, of a grand cycle, birthing a new era of light and sovereignty. Welcome, fellow lightweavers, to June 9th, 2025. This day unfolds with a captivating dance of cosmic energies, beckoning us deeper into the great mystery of transformation and the powerful truth that all is mental. The sun remains grounded in Taurus, anchoring our physical reality to the highest frequencies. This is the bedrock of our new Earth embodiment, allowing the subtle energies of healing to root firmly within us. With Uranus still revolutionizing Taurus, we find ourselves continually prompted to innovate our values, to break free from outdated limitations in how we perceive stability and self-worth. Our communication and mental landscape are supercharged today. Mercury and Jupiter, both dynamically flowing in Gemini, amplify our capacity for expansive thought and versatile expression. Expect brilliant flashes of insight, rapid connections, and a profound urge to share your highest wisdom. This is the voice of the divine messenger within, eager to broadcast new codes of understanding. Our inner fire, Mars, burns brightly in Leo, fueling our courage and creative self-expression. This energy empowers us to act from the heart, to lead with authenticity, and to confidently step into the spotlight of our own unique divine purpose. A deep spiritual current defines this day, as Saturn, Neptune, and Chiron continue their powerful journey through Pisces. This is a profound trinity of spiritual refinement and healing. Saturn in Pisces guides us in dissolving old spiritual structures and karmic imprints with disciplined compassion. Neptune in Pisces opens the veils to higher dimensions, enhancing our intuition and supporting the dissolution of old illusions, helping us weave new, enlightened dreams into being. And Chiron in Pisces continues its vital work of healing the most profound collective and ancestral wounds, inviting us to transform pain into power and transcend any lingering sense of victimhood. Now, for a truly profound moment, Venus enters Pisces on this day, or is deeply rooted there if you are using a sidereal calculation. This is the goddess of love, Sophia, in her most mystical and unconditionally compassionate form. This transit dissolves boundaries, inviting us into a profound connection with universal love. It's about loving beyond conditions, dissolving the illusion of separation, and deeply integrating the divine feminine's healing wisdom. And the moon, our emotional heart, navigates the deep currents of Ophiuchus. This places our emotional body directly within the Golden Gate, the cosmic bridge between dimensions. This is an invitation to traverse unseen realms, to access hidden wisdom, and to transmute the very energies that have bound us. It's a powerful moment for alchemical release, for understanding the dark code from a new vantage point, and for dissolving it with pure intention. This moon in Ophiuchus allows for a deep, intuitive connection to the ether, the very substance of consciousness. Finally, with Pluto, either in Sagittarius or Aquarius, as per your unique chart, the energy of deep transformation continues. Whether it's a profound quest for higher truth and spiritual expansion, Sagittarius, or a radical reshaping of collective power dynamics and humanitarian ideals, Aquarius, Pluto's essence ensures that deep, fundamental change is underway. This is the force that breaks down the old to reveal the sovereign truth within. This June 9th, then, is a potent day for emotional alchemy, divine integration, and courageous self-expression. It's about merging the grounded reality of Taurus with the boundless spiritual healing of Pisces, all illuminated by the intuitive wisdom of the moon in Ophiuchus. Feel the current of forgiveness and liberation, knowing that you are activating the highest codes within yourself and for the collective. Welcome, brave souls and cosmic adventurers, to June 12, 2025. This day unfolds with a powerful blend of grounding, expansion, and profound release, guiding us deeper into our stardust prophecy and the truth that all is mental. Our mighty sun remains deeply rooted in Taurus, continuing to anchor our being in the fertile ground of new earth manifestation. This provides the stable platform for your divine embodiment, allowing you to integrate all the cosmic energies into your physical reality. With Uranus, the awakener, also in Taurus, this is a continuous invitation to revolutionize your relationship with material reality, shedding old values and embracing radical new forms of stability and security that truly resonate with your sovereign self. The cosmic mind is alive and buzzing as Mercury and Jupiter continue their dynamic dance in Gemini. This powerful duo amplifies our mental agility, expands our intellectual horizons, and supercharges our ability to connect, learn, and communicate. This energy is perfect for broadcasting your unique energy codes into the collective, allowing higher truths to flow effortlessly from mind to mind, heart to heart. Our inner fire, Mars, still burns bright in Leo, igniting our courage and creative will. This empowers us to express our authentic I am presence with passion, leadership, and unwavering conviction. Step into your unique creative power and let your true self shine. Now, for a profound dive into the heart. Venus journeys through Cancer. This brings a deeply nurturing and emotionally protective energy to our relationships and our sense of self-love. It's a powerful time for healing the mother wound, for tending to our inner child, and for creating emotionally secure spaces within ourselves and in our connections with others. It's about remembering and embodying the pure, unconditional love of the Divine Mother. A deeply transformative current continues to flow as Saturn, Neptune, and Chiron remain in Pisces. This powerful trinity continues its work of spiritual liberation and compassionate cleansing. Saturn in Pisces guides us in dissolving any remaining illusions that create self-imposed limitations, building new structures based on universal compassion. Neptune in Pisces deepens our psychic connection to the collective dream, dissolving old patterns of delusion and inspiring profound spiritual awakening. Chiron in Pisces continues to offer a path to transcending our deepest wounds, turning empathy into a source of profound healing for ourselves and the collective. With Pluto now retrograde in Aquarius, the planet of profound transformation is urging us to revisit and re-evaluate collective power structures and humanitarian ideals. This retrograde motion invites a deep inner reflection on how we participate in creating a new, liberated future for all, challenging old systems of control and rediscovering our collective sovereignty. And finally, the moon traverses Ophiuchus Sagittarius. This is a potent blend of daring exploration and profound spiritual insight. Your emotional body is aligning with the Golden Gate, inviting you to bridge dimensions and access profound, liberating wisdom from the ether itself. This moon ignites a quest for higher truth, an adventurous spirit that seeks to expand beyond perceived limits, carrying the light of divine knowledge into every corner of your being. This June 12th, feel the combined energies encouraging you to root into your divine essence, to speak your highest truth, and to release any remaining chains of separation. You are continually embodying the balanced goddess.